Welcome back to another interesting tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to get perfect domain name with this particular free domain name generator tool that you can use to have a unique domain name for your next website. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, you can use any type of browser available to you. But in this tutorial, I'm using Chrome browser. So what you want to do is to come to the search engine right here. Go ahead and visit this particular website right here, ryrob.com. Hit enter on your keyboard, and in a few seconds, it takes you to this particular website right here. Now, how do you have access to free tools that allow you to generate domain name for your next website? Next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on free tools. Come down below right here. Click on all free tools right here. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Then you can scroll down right here and then go ahead and look for the particular tools that you are looking for. So in this tutorial, we are looking at how we can get a domain name for our next website. So for that, you have a domain name generator right here. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. So domain name generator, free tool to generate domain names. And this tool here is unlimited that allow you to generate as many as possible as long as you are satisfied with your domain name. So what you want to do here is to enter your keyword right here. Let's say, for instance, I want to go into AI website. Then I can easily type in AI Pro. Okay, so I can easily just type in AI Pro like this. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on Get Domain Name Idea. So click on that. Then here we go. So we have some of the domain name right here that we can easily use right here. So the more you scroll down, the more you see different domain name right here. Okay, let's say, for instance, I'm interested in webaiexpert.net. I'm not interested in that. So topaipro.net. So go and check on different results right here. Webaipro.net. So I'm not really cool with some of these. Let's say I'm interested, I'm going to get, I'm typing AI tools. Okay, so click on Get Domain Name Ideas. We have another ones right here, ai2solution.org. So you can scroll, the more you scroll down, the more you see. So this is the ai2.co. So this is a kind of unique AI name right here. You can scroll down and check on more stuff right here. So this particular domain right here, so the ai2.co right here. Let's say you are interested in this, so you can click on buy right here. So this will give you different places whereby you can host your domain right here. Here are domain register and hosting option for buying this particular the ai2.co. So you can decide to use Over, you can use DreamHost, you can use GoDaddy, you can use Namecheap, you can use Bluehost. However, if you are not interested to use any of the suggested option by this website right here, you can go on and use your personal hosting company for domain and website builder. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about free tools like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.